everybody, I'm Connor, and I'm a worker here at Electric Spinz. One of the questions we get asked the most is what is an e-bike and how does it work? Today, if you'd like to join me inside, I'd love to show you what an e-bike is, how it works, and what makes an e-bike an e-bike. So this here is the Mojo Panther Pro. It's one of the bikes we sell here at the shop. Electric bikes are going to be a lot like the bikes you have at home. They've got pedals and chains and tires. What differentiates it is the battery here and the motor in the rear wheel. If you come a little closer, I'll show you how the bike turns on, how it operates, what's on the handlebars, and how to use the fun features of your electric bike. So let's start with the basic functions of your bike. The bike will turn on and off with this M button right here. Hold that down, you'll see the screen light up. You'll see a couple things here. You can see your battery level at the top there, speedometer right here, pedal assist here, and your odometer here. Pedal assist on this bike is 0 through 5, controlled with the up arrow and the down arrow. Also on your handlebars, you have your front brake, your back brake, your throttle, and your shifter. On most electric bikes, there's two ways to control the power, a pedal assist and a throttle. Pedal assist works on a cadence system. So as you're pedaling the bike, the pedal will come around. You cross the bottom of your pedal motion, the bike will sense that, send power to the wheel, kick that pedal back around, essentially gives you a little bit of a boost, keeps you going at speed. Pedal assist operates 0 through 5 on this bike, 0 being no assist whatsoever, 5 being the highest level of assist. There's also a throttle, which is located right here on the right-hand side grip. Throttle works on a thumb press, so as you press down, the rear wheel will spin. Further you press it, faster it goes. Now this throttle is independent of the pedal assist. No matter whether you're at a 0 or 5, as long as the bike is on, the throttle is live. Lastly, here are some major functions of your bike. You've got brakes, back and front. Just pull both at the same time. Function a lot like your brakes at home. You got a 7-speed shifter right here. Shifts up with the plus, down with the minus. Again, a lot like a 7-speed you may have at home. Seat adjusts with this little clasp right here. You're gonna unlock that, bring it up, bring it down, wherever you want it. When you got it in the right place, just lock it back in by closing that clamp. Rack off the back, kickstand off the side, fenders front and back, along with the lights. This has been a pretty general overview of the electric bikes we have here at the store. If you have any questions or would love to just stop by and see us, we're located at 9653 Bay Pines Boulevard in Seminole, Florida, open from 9 to 5 every day of the week. We do rentals, sales, repairs, whatever you need. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.